Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We see that they have the same power, the square root of x and the square root of x. In this situation, we can combine two numbers together and we can write into 3e to the power of the square root of x. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the x over number 2 with the square root of x. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to put number 2 go to the left. This one we change by u. So the x with the square root of x we change by 2 du. Number 2 I will put in here. Now we have the formula in here. The integration of a to the power of u du, we will have about a to the power of u over ln a, and we put about c. Now we can apply same formula in here. About u, that is about the square root of x. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.